The Infinity blade is intended for the high-level freestyle skater. This blade features an 8-foot radius profile that allows for maximum speed and very good edge control, yet because of the blade is a little bit shorter in terms of the overall stanchion post height by 1/6 of an inch compared to conventional or traditional style blades, it allows for a great spinning blade because it reduces the torque on the edge. The toe pick design of the blade allows for a very large bottom and second drag pick for good secure bite into the ice, 3 intermediate sized picks, and then a very large flared and dome jumping pick that drives very securely into the ice for good placement and secure landings.